Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for things to do on the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the home button down below in the left side corner. Then click on the things to do button at the top. Select from these options, but first of all you should enter your destination. Select the dates and click on the done button, then tap on the search button down below, and here you can find the available offers. You have a bunch of options. If you feel like to do so, you can also check them out on the map, and you can apply your filters, so you can sort by either recommended ones, you can sort them by their price, you can enter a keyword to narrow down your search, you can add travel ratings, recommendations, you can select the price range, start time, duration, and so on. After finding one that you have found interesting, tap on it and check out the details. And if you would like to purchase the tickets, click on the select tickets down below, tap on the book now button, and you will be required to add your details and then select the method of payment and finalize the process. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.